In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the step-by-step process of how you can create a custom location on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Head over to your Instagram app from your device and make sure that you are logged into your specific Instagram account. Now go ahead and tap on the plus icon in the middle section. From the list below, choose any photo that you would like to add as a post. Tap on Next again and write in any caption that you would like. Below the caption, you will see the Add Location option. Tap on it. On this page, tap on Turn on Location Services. This will enable location services on your device so that Instagram can detect your accurate location. Tap on Continue. As you turn on your location, Instagram will display all the places near you. If you cannot find your location, you can also search for it. To do that, tap on the search icon and enter the location name. If your specific location appears, tap on it and then tap Share. Refresh your page, and as you do so, you will see the custom location displayed below your post. That's how you can create a custom location on Instagram. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If this tutorial helped you in any way, be sure to like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more helpful content. Hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us.